1 degree outside today here on a Friday, the day after Christmas, and we have some snow that's on the way. Hope you had a great holiday. I'm meteorologist Matt Noyes of the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. This is the 24-hour forecast. My suit does not fit as well as it did before the holiday yesterday, but it was a great time had by all. Of course, we've kept the videos going for you. We're going to keep doing that into the holiday weekend, which, by the way, the shot of snow we get tonight is going to be the first round that we have to deal with. And then the next round is going to be probably snow to mix that happens on Sunday evening and night. So if you've got to travel and you're going to be on the roadways, best word to the wise here is to be doing it during the day on Sunday and not waiting until late day or evening. If you love snow sports, you just got some spending cash for Christmas, come on over and spend it on us. Snowsports.onedegreeoutside.com. You can see what's going on at all New England resorts and snowmobile clubs for that matter as well. There's a promo code through the end of the month, SNO 2025. Staying dry all day today, but tonight we deal with the snow that comes in. Cold enough air. It is all snow, first of all. Not everybody gets into it. The farther north and east you are, the more removed you are. The farther south and west, the more snow you get. Very different from the last previous events. Instead of getting what's going to be this kind of real wet snow that was a great, by the way, snowman snow, snowball snow, this one's definitely a fluffier snow. There's probably half the water content per inch of snow than what we had over the last couple of events. Then we go back to a mixed event. That'll be a wetter snow and then eventually goes over to rain for a lot of folks in southern New England by the time we get into late Sunday. Just a reminder here as we go through the course of the next 24 hours, you can track it all, the hourly forecast, the 14-day, watch the radar with our app, totally free on the App Store and Google Play. So high temperatures today, not going very far. We make it to the teens and 20s, and that's it. The wind that's with us this morning, which is still in spots gusting on the order of 20 and 30 miles per hour, does come down later on in the day. Wind goes quiet this evening. Tonight, look how cold it gets. That's why I say it's a really different consistency snow for the folks who get into it. Here is the wind dying down as we go through the day. When the snow moves in during the course of the overnight tonight, the wind will still be pretty quiet for us. I think it picks up a little bit out of the north and northeast during the course of Saturday morning or pre-dawn Saturday into Saturday morning. So it may start to gust at the coastline up to 20, 25 miles per hour, but that should be about it on Saturday morning. Notice that the cloud and radar forecast here over the course of the day definitely increases the clouds, thickens them during the afternoon. There is nothing to worry about that's going to fall from the sky today. Here comes the snow as we get into 7 p.m. It's already in to western and southwestern Connecticut. It's knocking on the door of the Berkshires. Between 7 and midnight, it expands off to the east, fills in through central Massachusetts. Eastern Mass starts to blow some snow off the ocean during the course of the mid to late evening, and then eventually fills in the main shield as we get toward midnight. Looks like overnight tonight we deal with the light snow, comes up into about southern New Hampshire, maybe get some flurries into central New Hampshire or southern Maine, but you'd be on the edge of it. And then notice by 8 o'clock in the morning, it's pretty much winding down already. So when you look at how much we think is going to fall, it's nothing in far northeastern New England. It's the greatest amounts in southwestern New England, where that dark blue, if you line it up with the legend at the top, that's going to be on the order of 6 inches or more of snow in southwest Connecticut, right? 4 to 6, 2 to 4 in the light blue, and then probably 1 to 2 when you get into the white areas. So it definitely decreases the farther north and east that you go, and that does include some of the folks who got the most out of the last event in northeastern Massachusetts, getting the least in southern New England this next time around, but 1 to 2 inches still, enough to at least treat and push around in spots, because remember, it's not only the air temperature that's cold, the ground temperature is going to be cold too. So it's going to stick. That fluffy snow will add up even on the pavement surfaces. The farther north that you go, you start to outrun it almost entirely. And when you get into the state of Maine, which was the biggest beneficiary out of the last one, nature has a way of equaling things out. You don't get much at all out of this event. Just a reminder here, if we need to bring you some updates over the course of today, of course, we will have an Insights video, a deep dive into meteorology. All of that stuff also comes out on the stream. We are New England's first and only streaming network on your smart TV, online, and on our app. And look at that. I might have had a good holiday, but I still can fit off to the side of the screen without sticking out too much. That's the way it looks for now. Have a great start to the day. We'll keep you posted at 1 Degree Outside.